to Stop and Watch. Thanks for stopping on by. So the other day I showed you my Hamilton that I inherited from my stepfather, and I said that I was going to do another video, and this one's just going to be showing you how I put on the new strap that I got for it, which just came in the mail today. Look at this lovely, delicious, quick, it's supposed to be one of those quick install straps, so I got that on purpose. And I got a very unique color, which is I got this green. Now I know that these Hamiltons usually come with some kind of brown or black leather strap. I didn't want that. I did not want to do the typical thing that everybody else did, so I literally got green on purpose. One, because it's the same color as my company colors that I work for, and two, just for it to be a little bit different than the norm. And let's see if it, yeah, looks like that's going to be a perfect fit. So let's see, Hamilton with the green strap. First thing, we're going to use this link remover tool, not link remover tool, I'm sorry, spring bar tool, just to remove these old spring bars from the watch. There's a video specifically on that. You put it right there where you can see the spring, and then you just lift it up and it pulls that out super easy. So nice and straightforward, nothing much to that. And then we're going to see how good these quick install straps are, where you just move this little lever. So you should place it in the hole and then move the lever towards you, and that should go in there. Oh, is it too big? No, the strap should be just right. There we go. Okay, that's the first one. See how easy and quick that is? This is so much better than regular straps. Just a quick in and out. Pull that lever again towards you. Get it in the hole. Boom. Clicks in place. And there we go. Look at that. Vintage Hamilton watch with the green. It's a very dark green, so in certain light it's going to look black. It may even be coming across as black on camera, but it's actually a very dark green, which I am very happy about. And then let me pull these plastics off. Hopefully this is a decent quality strap. I didn't spend too much just because I didn't know if I was going to enjoy wearing it that much. So I just got a cheap strap at first. I also have a black one that fits this, but it's currently on another watch. But I think that looks quite good with the green. So you open up this little clasp here. You open this piece up and you slide the leather band to where you need it to fit your wrist. I have it on the third notch here. And then you push that down so it locks in place. And then it works as a butterfly clasp, but for a leather bend. So you put the right side down first, clip that in place. Then you put the left side down, and you put the leather part through this, and then you clip that. And then you move that to where it's supposed to go. And then that's how the watch would actually go on your wrist. So let me press the butterfly clasps again just to release it. Nice and easy. And this time I'm going to put it on my wrist. Right side first, clip. Then the left side, put it through the gap, clip. And then move this bit up. It fits and wears like a tiny watch because it is a tiny watch. The only thing about these cheaper leather straps, because it's kind of like a suede-ish leather, is it does get those little marks on it whenever something like rubs against it or scratches it, because this is brand new and you can see it's already got that little mark. But this might sound a little strange. I actually think that is good because this watch is so old. It's from the 1980s. It's kind of good that the strap gets a few scratches and a few like little things, because then it doesn't look like you've just got a brand new shiny strap on a old gold faced or gold bezeled watch. It kind of, like, the more scratches and little things happens to it, it kind of makes it blend in with the whole vintageness of the watch. But anyway, let me know what you think about this. So it's not a full watch review. This is just me showing you how to get one of those quick release straps on. And let me know what color you would go with. I told you I got the green, not because it looked the best. I got the green because it's the color that goes with the company colors that I work for. But brown, black, blue, red, a few wild colors like yellow might actually look quite good on this watch. All right, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. And once again, guys, thanks for stopping on by. Peace.